I am here at Lowe's. I know you guys are like, what are you thinking? You have too many plants already, but it's not my fault. It's the Succulents home fault. Yep, her YouTube channel, she posted a shop with me at Lowe's and she made me want to watch. She made me want to come and look. Her name is Melissa. If you guys know her or don't know her YouTube channel down below for you guys. Let's see what we find. Lots of baby plants. You know, I don't have this, and Melissa was pointing it out, and I really like it. And it is a good filler, like she was saying. It's the watch chain plant. It's a crassula. So yeah, they have those. They have the cute little pumpkins, but as you can see, some plants are already not making it. Some pretty big cactus down there. A lot of these are goners already. And then here are the cans that she had. We have a lot of them. Some variegated. I think this is like a jade. Oh, look at that poor thing in there. I feel bad for it. Out this side over here. I don't know. It's so sad to see these plants like this. Some of them are not doing well. Not a lot to see, guys. It's not like it used to be, I have to say. I feel like the quality and the quantity is not the same as they used to bring. So, as you can see, I'm not very motivated. Sometimes I'll film things like this and I won't even upload just because I'm still not impressed, but I'll upload this one. Let's go see if we find something like that. Nothing really good over here on clearance for me. There's a little clearance rack over there, but there's a lady working there and I don't want to bother her or make her feel uncomfortable. Here's the only cactus I see here, but it's goner already. And that's it. Let me walk over to the other side. These movable racks. Here is the aloe fish hooks. They look just like the blue hedgehog, so I'm not sure if it's the same. It looks very, very similar, but that's how it is. Look at this one. Look at how pretty this one has grown. I like this. This reminds me of something that I would see in a reef, you know, in the water, in the reef, in the ocean. It's so pretty. I like it just because of that. I wonder if they're clearance it out. I'm gonna ask. Yeah, some of these plants have been here for a while, and they were arrangements, but they don't look good anymore. So I don't know. Let me go see if I find the lady that does the clearance. It's disappointing. There was stuff on the clearance rack, but they were not marked yet. So I had asked when they would mark them. They're like, tomorrow. I'm like, really? I'm right here. Why wait until tomorrow to mark them when I wanted to get a zebra plant that I saw there. It looked good. But yeah, they wanted me to wait for tomorrow. I'm like, okay. So anyways, like they have these beautiful jades. This is Walmart and their plants look pretty good. Let me show you here. Better than what Home Depot's plants are looking. Not Home Depot, Lowe's, and they don't have a lot. Look at this variegated one. That's really pretty. I don't have this one. This is $3.74. I don't have this one. It's really pretty. Variegated. Maybe I'll get that. Look at this Echeveria Lucina. Here's another variegated with a bunch of babies. Yeah, and then here's that plant that I liked over there in that planter that Lowe's had. And then here's this, guys. This is really, really good. This is $9 and some change. So that's a pretty good deal if you're looking for to make an arrangement. That's a good deal right there. So yeah, guys, I'll leave you right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and link the Succulents Home YouTube channel, because her Lowe's was way better than mine, and she looked at plants that are not succulents as well. She looks at other house plants. So yeah, I'm gonna link it down below, and I hope you guys enjoy that. Bye guys.